bro, that is what I've been blessed with. My vision. I'm not always going to say things the perfect way, the right way, but I'm going to say how I feel.
Camera this way. Oh
my gosh.
Right now, I will prepare.
Get that panoramic real quick.
Right now, press. Get ready to write your passive-aggressive LeBron James racist comments. Season 4 racist comments. Get ready to have a field day, press. Get ready. Get ready. Because the show